Listen to me. If you can go into the divine silence, if you can open your heart's windows or doors, if you can cast the broader look at the wonderful universe all around you, you will be able to hear the desperate screams and the earnest requests of nature. Listen carefully. Can you hear that? Hey, you. Listen to me. Please. This is my humble request. I beg you. Please listen to me. I am not just one. No, I am not single. We are many, so many. We are all screaming so loudly. Why don't you listen? Can't you hear us? I am the very many, yet very few trees holding together as forests. But can you hear the sobbing trunks and the weeping trees? We are being chopped off mercilessly. The more you chop us off, the more the climatic unrest and the calamities. The heat is unbearable. The atmosphere is polluted. The carbon dioxide, our food, is left behind. So many chemical reactions, earthquakes, and many diseases. Please, we request you to focus upon bringing us back to life. Allow the forests and trees to grow. Protect us. Plant more trees. If each one of you plant at least 100 seeds to grow into trees, your children and grandchildren will cherish. Give us more space and expand your healthy lives. Please listen to me. If you can hear that, you can spread the word to few more. There is no greater social service than to safeguard nature. It is a great good karma for the future generations and the next to come.